Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper and the topic is related to analog circuits. Look at the diagram. Two silicon diodes with a forward voltage drop of 0.7 volts are used in the circuit. The range of input voltage Vi for which the output voltage V0 is equal to Vi. The range of input voltage Vi for which the output voltage V0 should be equal to Vi. So what is the range of Vi for which output is same as input? That we are going to calculate. Okay, so look at this diagram. When it will be equal to V0 is equal to Vi. Okay, assume that one D2 is forward bias. Assume that one D2 is forward bias. By that time V0 is going to be equal to 2 volts. So D2 cannot be forward bias. Whenever it is forward bias, V0 is struck at 2 volts. It doesn't depend on input voltage. Assume that one D1 is forward bias, D2 is reverse bias. Whenever D1 is forward bias, it acts as short circuit. By that time V0 is equal to minus 1 volt as it is given. So that again the output voltage is going to be struck at minus 1 volt. It doesn't depend on Vi whenever D1 is forward bias. So if you want to get V0 is equal to Vi at that time, no diode should be forward bias. If you want to get V0 is equal to Vi, no diode should be forward bias so that no current flows through the diodes. By that time no voltage drop takes place across this R. So V0 can be Vi only when D1 is reverse bias and D2 is reverse bias. If one of the diode is getting forward bias, at that time V0 is struck at some voltage. It doesn't depend on input. What is our required aim is V0 must be equal to Vi. That is only possible when the diodes are under reverse bias. So for what voltage of input D1 will be reverse bias, for what voltage of input D2 will be reverse bias. From that one we can get the range of Vi so that both the diodes are in the reverse bias mode. So first of all we will consider the D1. D1 is going to be in this case D1 if it is replaced with, it has 0.7 volts of forward voltage drop, that is nothing but minus plus, that is 0.7 it was given, and it is connected with minus 1 volt. Plus minus, even though it is indicated minus 1, otherwise you can indicate the minus 1 in this way with polarity as minus plus of 1 volt. So this is the voltage. Okay, this is Vi with respect to D1. With respect to D1 is nothing but the voltage across N side. This is going to be called as voltage at N side. Okay, voltage at cathode of D1. Cathode of D1, that is nothing but N side of D1. So we can say that one, if the voltage on N side is going to be lesser than, what is the definition of reverse bias? Reverse bias definition is nothing but whenever the P side voltage is more positive than N side. Whenever the P side voltage is more positive than N side, at that time the diode is going to be under forward bias. Whenever the P side voltage is less positive than N side, at that time diode will be in reverse bias. So D1 will be in reverse bias if voltage across N side is greater than voltage across P side. Okay, so voltage across P side is going to be approximately equal to minus 1.7, because 0.7 volts is internal voltage drop and minus 1 volt is applied across P side. The total voltage of Vp is nothing but positive voltage, that is voltage on P side is minus 1 volt, minus 1.7. So Vn, that is nothing but Vi, should be greater than minus 1.7 volts. This is first condition. If the input voltage is greater than minus 1.7 volts, by that time the diode will be under reverse bias. Minus 1.7 volts greater is nothing but it may be at minus 1.6, minus 1.5, or minus 1, or minus 0.2, or 0, or 1, 2, like this. The voltage of input should be greater than minus 1.7, that is nothing but magnitude wise it has to be lesser than 1.7. Understand that case. Okay, so this is one we have find out is this one. From this one we can tell the answer is nothing but D. Okay, but we will go for this condition also, whether Vi is going to be lesser than 2.7 or not, that we have to check. Okay, for that one we are going for the second diode. With respect to second diode, with respect to D2, okay, we can draw the equivalent circuit with respect to D2 as, now it has internal voltage drop of 0.7 volts with P side is positive and N side is negative, and it has connected with 2 volts, plus and minus it is 2 volts. So the total voltage, okay, total voltage on N side is nothing but 2.7. The diode D2 is going to be, this is Vi, V in. Diode D2 will be in reverse bias, will be in reverse bias if the input voltage is going to be less than 2.7 volts, because the effective voltage at the diode is nothing but 2.7 volts. If the input voltage is lesser than that one, you are applying less positive voltage for the P side. That implies nothing but the diode D2 will be under reverse bias. So with respect to D1 we find out that one. With respect to D1, V input is greater than minus 1.7 volts, and with respect to V2, V input is lesser than 2.7. So the range of V in, range of Vi is minus 1.7 volts to Vi should be lesser than 2.7 volts. So the right option for this question is D. Thank you.